Hello, my sweet friends. I hope you are all doing well. Welcome to day 13 of our 13 Days of Halloween series. If you're just joining in, you can find links for the first 12 days at the top of the description. And make sure you stay tuned throughout the video for the question of the day. Today I'm sharing a greeting card on request of the peeps. I'm using layers of handcrafted ephemera to create a Halloween scene and adding that to my card with all of the other finishing details that I love. I'm excited to be sharing that we're having a giveaway, so make sure you stay tuned throughout the video for the question of the day, as well as for details on how we can get you entered for your chance to win. I'm working with that P13 Happy Halloween collection for today's project, and I really have gone through fair amount of the pattern paper, but I have loads of these sheets left of the images. And so that's one thing I really love about this brand, is that you have all these images, and if you fussy cut around them, leaving a white border, it gives the appearance of store-bought ephemera. And so you can get loads and loads of it. And you all know how much I love to layer my images. And if I get a pack of store-bought ephemera, I just go through it so fast and it isn't worth the value to me. But if I can make my own, then I can use as much or as little as I like, and I like a lot. So let's just going to work with a standard 6x6 top folding card, and I've already finished the inside. I have a cardstock measurement of 5 7/8 by 5 7/8 and a pattern paper of 5 3/4 by 5 3/4. I decided to add a layering pattern onto this so that I would have a landing zone for these additional images. And so I just originally had cut them out for the cover, but I had too many to work with, so I decided to move them into the inside. And normally when I make a greeting card, I would attach an additional piece of cardstock so that a sentiment could be added, but this is light enough in the background that you can write on it and it would be seen easily. And so I'm just going to add this cute little cluster of ephemera to the bottom, and that kind of decorates the inside of the card as well. I didn't have any full-size patterns so that I could use them without layering, but that's okay because I like the extra added detail for that. I'm just going to continue working along with that black cardstock border. So the next thing I want to add is a die cut doily. I need to sort of break up a little bit of that background and give a landing zone for the next layers. I cut circles from a nested set of dies so that I could get my border along with the pattern paper. I shared in yesterday's video how I combine stickers to form a cluster that I can use for a focal image, and so I'm going to repeat that process for today's card as well, but instead of stickers we're going to move into that homemade ephemera. And so I just attached all of my images here as I did in yesterday's video, and then I flipped it over and attached the foam spacers onto the back so we can build a little dimension. And what I did was I just kind of created a corner so that it would anchor this corner here on the card. I've got florals, and then I've got my little bat, 2 pumpkins, and a witch hat. And then I've also incorporated a small die cut glitter star, and that's just going right here. I'm leaving a little room at the top because I've also created an additional flower arrangement. And so I've got this created with flowers from Really Reasonable Ribbon, along with the ribbon trim here and that beautiful plaid. There's purple netting, some die cut foliage, and some twine. This is going to land here in the corner. I have 2 additional elements I need to add to kind of sandwich this all together. So to balance the star on this side, I'm going to put one up here on the top as well. And then I can't help myself but add a couple of bat charms to go with our little bat image. I'm going to hold this into the position where I want it to land. Add that with my hot glue. Cut off the excess. And then top that with our flower arrangement. I'm going to create a little bit more balance by adding these sequins to the top for a little extra detail. I think it would be nice to also add a little bit of stickles to parts of this image just for a little bit of sparkle. And so I'm not going all over and crazy. I'm just kind of accenting some details that are already here. Okay, now that I've got that stickles added, it's a great time for the question of the day and for details on how we can get you entered for a chance to win. So the question is, share with me what is your favorite project from the series. We're giving away a $25 gift card to Amazon to one lucky winner. To enter your name for a chance to win is easy peasy. Simply respond to the question of the day for all 13 days of the series and be a subscriber to my channel. You can enter as soon as this video goes live, and you'll have until October 2nd at 12 p.m. Eastern Time to be included in the giveaway. This contest is open to residents of the continental United States only, and I'll draw the name of the winner in a special video October 4th at 7 p.m. Eastern. I'm wishing good luck to all who enter. So that's it for day 13. Make sure you plan to join me for our prize drawing video October 4th at 7 p.m. Eastern. If you enjoyed this tutorial, let me know in the comments and give me a big thumbs up for this video. As always, I add links in the description so you can find the products I mentioned as well as all our socials. I would love for you to join my crafty little family by hitting that subscribe button. And as always, I'm wishing you a happy and productive day, and I thank you so much for watching. Bye.